Traders, welcome back. Today we are back on EURJPY, and if you missed our previous analysis, make sure you check the video on this channel because the market is now approaching a very important decision zone. As we discussed in the previous breakdown, the key resistance level around 185 remains the main level to watch. I clearly explained that if price comes back and respects this level, we look for a continuation sell setup targeting the downside around 183. Now let's talk about what is happening in the market right now. Recently, we have started seeing strong bullish momentum entering the market, and price is now pushing back toward this key resistance zone around 185. This means the market is approaching a critical decision point where the next reaction will determine the next directional move. So right now, the 185 resistance level remains our main key level to watch. Here is exactly what I am waiting for. If price comes back up to this resistance level around 185 and respects it with a strong bearish candlestick confirmation, then we are going to look for a continuation sell setup targeting the downside around 183. As long as sellers continue defending this zone, bearish momentum can continue pushing lower. However, traders must stay flexible because market structure can change quickly. If price fails to respect this resistance level and instead breaks above it, then the structure shifts. In that case, the level flips from resistance into support. We would then wait for a proper retest of the broken level, and if buyers step in with confirmation, we will look for a continuation buy setup targeting the upside around 187. Another important thing traders should watch is how price behaves as it approaches this resistance. If we see weak bullish candles and strong rejection wicks, that could be an early sign that sellers are preparing to defend the level again. But if strong bullish momentum continues aggressively into the zone, then the probability of a breakout becomes much higher. So to summarize everything clearly, EURJPY remains focused on the key resistance level around 185. If it holds, we look for a continuation sell towards 183. But if it breaks, we wait for a retest and then look for a continuation buy move towards 187. Traders, EURJPY is at a major decision point right now. Do you think sellers will defend this resistance again? Or are buyers preparing for a breakout? Alright traders, that is all we have on EURJPY for today. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and always wait for confirmation before entering the market.